Today's presentation was a great opportunity to get a perspective of a global marketer, and it actually was more a perspective learning rather than a specific learning. It gave a perspective of how successful brand managers think about brands, and how brands should be imagined as bigger than the products, bigger than the market, more at a consumer relevance level. And I think that was a paradigm which was quite insightful.
It was a good session of about an hour and a half. It gave us some global perspective. Yeah, I mean, digital is going to be very important in scheme of things, and we marketeers do come from various different schools, some from old, some from new. But one thing is for sure, if you are into marketing, you need to understand the various mix which operates. Different countries will have different, I mean, what works in UK may not work here, or what works here may not work in another country. But you just can't keep your eyes closed. You have to be open to new mediums and new media and new way of reaching consumers, because today reaching consumers is very difficult. They are becoming more complex, their needs are becoming more complex, and therefore you have to be creative and innovative to reach them.
Asked me online, he told about, what marketeers should look at: authenticity and courage. Because with courage only you can differentiate. I think that's a great line, because whatever you do, when you want to do something different, you need courage. Be it for getting the budget, or be it coming back, understanding customer insight and going back to the customer saying that, this is what the brand stands for, or this is how the brand becomes relevant and differentiate itself from the rest of the competition.
Well, I think the key takeaways for today are that you've got to, be brave about what you're doing, and I think that was a very important thing. And you've got to have a purpose to what you're doing, and you've got to find the reason why your product exists, and then be able to create the certain amount of, talk about it. And particularly if you're talking about digital, then you've got to know how to reach out authentically to people. So I think those two are really big takeaways for me.
I think the part on digital was particularly impressive about what marketers need in order to succeed in the evolving consumer age. Also, the whole session on what keeps marketers awake was also quite thought-provoking, and I think it's something that I want to sort of speak to my organization, my marketers, my team, so that we can be better prepared going forward.
I think it's an interesting learning. It doesn't come in from somebody who's just teaching you, but somebody who's practiced it. I think that is the most incredible part. The other part is we've seen these examples. We have seen these things as kids as well, and we've grown up with them. So interesting when you hear it from the person who's actually directed the whole thing. It's almost like meeting the director of the movie. So I think that was the most interesting piece. The other aspect which I thought was, which could have been better, would have been if this were a workshop format. That would have been a much bigger piece for all of us. But yes, no cribs. I think this is one of the... Imagine working with him to possibly create a campaign thought. To possibly, what I really liked is the way he managed that piece for Dove to say that, can I take it back to the board? And he has spoken to the daughters of each of the board members. And looking at Dadi Seth's daughter, I think it was phenomenal. Yes, you have gone ahead and done your research. You've gone to a segment which will connect to them. He could have gone and done the same research with 50 other kids outside. It will never have that impact. I think that's a huge learning that you take back and go. That's where you create the impact.